Hello, hi guys, welcome to my masterclass. Today, in this video, I'll be teaching you about cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency, how to trade cryptocurrency on MaskEX. I'm going to be using MaskEX exchange app to make a trade in this video. So, as we all know, cryptocurrencies are digital assets which one can use for making payments. The main motive of creating this digital asset like Bitcoin, in crypto, many cryptocurrencies have different purposes, but Bitcoin was created for solving hard mathematical problems. So for this reason, Bitcoin is also used for making transactions. Like as we see in these recent days or years, some companies have been able to accept Bitcoin as their mode of payment. Some people use Bitcoin to purchase cars, like we all know Tesla. Tesla uses Bitcoin as a mode of payment. They accept Bitcoin. If you want to buy your car in Tesla, you can accept Bitcoin. Here in Dubai, Carrefour is a global mall, very big mall. We use Shiba, you all know, we use Shiba to buy things in Carrefour. Just purchase their token online, then you transact it with Shiba. When you went to anywhere in Carrefour, you want to buy anything, just show your address, they scan it, and you purchase anything you want depending on how many you have. So guys, crypto has come to stay. In as much as all these uses crypto also helps us to make a living, like making money in crypto by trading day by day. Okay, we have daily traders, we have investors, and we have investors. Daily traders are those who trade with signals. When they have analyzed their the coin, and with the analysis they know that this coin will increase in price, maybe in a duration, in a time, depending on the time they place it, depending on the analysis. So these are day traders. We also have investors. Investors are those who buy coin at a low rate and they wait maybe in a long term or in a year or 2 years, then they can decide that this is the time for you to sell this token. So these are people we have in crypto sector. So in this video, I will be going to showing you how to do spot trading. Okay, spot trading, like a day trade, how we make trade for a day, like how you make money in crypto. Okay, so let's go in and make that trade. So this is MaskEX app. It's an exchange, so I'm going to be making a trade right now. So these are coins. All these things are coins that you can trade. These are coins, these are tokens. Okay, these are tokens. So I'll be making my trade using spot. So first of all, you click trade. Okay, in here at the top you can see spot, you can see margin, you can see OTC. Okay, so I'll be using spot trade. So this spot trade today, I want to trade on a metaverse coin called Gala. Gala is a metaverse coin. So I want to trade on this coin. Then I type Gala. It brings out Gala. Gala already has 2% increase. So I think I want to buy this coin. I want to trade on this coin. Okay. Here you can see there is a red price showing here. These are sellers. There is a green price showing this down below. These are buyers. Okay. Then you can see candlesticks. If you don't know candlesticks, these are candlesticks. The red indicates when the price, the red indicates bullish candle, and the the green indicates bullish candle, and the red indicates bearish candle. So bullish candle is like when the price is going up, it will be showing you red candles, but when the price is going down, it shows you red candles. And here we have different time, it depending. Here when you set it at 30 minutes, it means each candle represents 30 minutes. 1 hour, each candle represents 1 hour in price change. But in trading, the recommended time frame which you will set your candle is 4 hours. So right now each candle represents 4-hour chart, 4-hour chart, 4-hour price chart. So when you come down here, you can see order. These people in green, these people in green, these people are buyers. These people in red, these people are sellers. Okay, these people are sellers. So right now let's go and make a trade. So we want to buy Gala. Here around, see, market means what? When you want to buy at market price, here you see there is market. When you want to buy at market price, that shows that you are buying at what the price is right now, like the current price. That is this one here, green, this one showing green red here. Okay, that is when you buy at market. But when you buy, put it limit, you are bidding price, which means you are setting your price at a particular amount, maybe at a particular price. Like you said, this Gala, I want to buy it at maybe 49. Then you will put 49 here. Once the price comes to 49, you buy. Okay, these people here are buyers. They are bidding price of this. So once the buyer and the seller agrees on a particular price, the trade will fail and trade has occurred. Okay, it just like our daily market trade. When you want to buy something, the buyer will say, I'm selling soup for $20, and you said, I'm buying soup for $19. You will be bargaining until the buyer agrees that, okay, I will sell you at, the seller agrees that I will sell you at $19. Okay, then the you guys will exchange. You will give him money and he will give you soup. So the same thing in crypto. Okay, so today I want to buy at so I'll be making this trade at a particular price. I want to put just a price so that we will buy right now. Because if I'm on a daily trade, I will just bid for some prices. Okay, I don't want this video to pass 15 minutes, but it's going already 10 minutes, so I want to be fast. So right now I want to buy at 0 0, let me say, what the price is going down drastically. So let me say 40. Oh, shit, the price is just crazy. The price is just crazy, bro. The price is just crazy. Okay, 55. The price is just crazy. Okay, then here you select how many amounts. Okay, I can say $100. I want to buy the one of maybe, okay, how many Gala? No, I want to buy of $100. $100. Okay, $100 is getting me 199 gala. You can adjust here. You can use this line here and adjust the price here. You can test high, you can anyone, but you can, for easy, you can just put the amount you want to use, like $100. Okay, so right now you see the price is falling down. So the price is falling down, and we cannot just help it. So we have to set our price for. So right now I click buy, confirm. The purchase quantity must be between the purchase quantity must be between no. So it's telling me that the purchase quantity must be between, I don't know, but let me check. 150. 150. Okay, so this must be, what the fuck is this thing saying? Let's use market price. Yeah, okay, $150. Okay, what fuck? So in market price, uh you want to use, okay, you want to say you buy 200. So order successful. So we just made a purchase in Gala right now. We just bought, see here the position, we just bought a $99 worth of Gala at 99.89 dollar. So we can say, okay, let's buy another coin. We can say let's buy wow coin. Okay, set limit. So this one we use limit. Okay, 0.76562. Then I want to buy with $10. Yes, I'm buying this one with $10. Yeah, because I already have war. So we click on buy, click on confirm. Order place successful. So here, right now, here you can search. These are completed trade. I've completed this trade. I have completed this trade. These are trades that I make today. All these things are trade. So right now I just made this trade. So now this is for buying. Okay, for buying. And I buy at, you buy at low price, you sell high. So right now I want to sell this particular coin I just bought. Let me check the quantity I bought. I bought 13.06 wow here, and with this price 76,562. Okay, so right now let's go back and limit price. Okay, 0.76. See, the price is going down. 76429. Okay, and how many would 13.06? Then this is the amount. Okay, so right now I want to sell. You just click sell. You click here, order successful. I just sold the price, the coin I just bought now. So once you click sell, the order will come here. Okay, but once there is an agreement in price and the trade has been filled, it will come here as position. Okay, so this is spot trading. Like this is how you do it per day and you keep making money. The ones in red is sell, the one in green is buy. Okay, so had it been, let me assume I bought at this, and I bought at 7506, and I saw that because of this class, so because of this video, I don't want to wait till I make profit. I just want to show you guys how this thing is being done. That's why I sold. So this is it, guys. This is it, guys. So right now I can tell you everything. Just this one is for margin. This is for margin trading, but I don't want to go deep in this one. This is one will be on another video, because I said I will stop this video in 15 minutes and it's already 15 minutes. So I'll be teaching you guys margin trading on another video. So thanks for watching, and also remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the notification button, so that once I drop any video about crypto, you will be able to get the notification and watch the video. Okay guys, we are here together, and trust me, we are going to be making money together. Thank you for watching this video. Peace out.